Hello and welcome back to the Microcomputer Apps series. So the Microcomputer Application series, we're going to be doing PowerPoint 2B simulation training. Remember, press the like button. Go ahead and smash that like button. Also, leave us a comment. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so in this one, in PowerPoint, same as always, check your spelling, make sure you're on the right slide. And this 2B deals a lot with graphics. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright, task 1, removing the background from a picture and applying soft edge options on slide 6, which we're already on. Click the firework picture to select it, and you see that it's selected because you see the little round bubbles on the outside and a solid line. And then on the picture format tab, here's the picture format tab. Let's go ahead and click that. So make sure we got. Alright. In the adjust group, here's the adjust group here. Click remove background. Here's remove background up here in the corner. So let's click that. So remove the background from the firework picture using the default removal area, and then click keep the changes. So here's keep the changes here, this little check mark. Click that. And then we've done that. So on slide 6, apply the soft edges 50 point, the last option picture. So you remember, see picture effects, soft edges, and the last one is the 50 point. Alright, so click that, and there we have it. Task 1 is complete. Task 2 is applying word art styles to existing text. So on slide 6, select the title. So let's go ahead and highlight it this time. So get ready to celebrate. Click the shape format tab. It's right there. In the word art style group, click more. Here's the word art style group. Click the more button. And then in the first row, click the fourth style. Here you go. Alright, task 2 is complete. On to task number 3 is changing the text fill and text outline colors of word art objects. On slide 6, change the word art text fill color to under the themes color. Let's see, I guess it's going to be highlight that again. Let's go to text fill. So it says theme color in the 6th column, 4th row. Doesn't sound right. So let's see what we got. The 6th column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Change the word art text outline color to in the 2nd column, the 1st row. Text outline says the 2nd column, 1st row, or 1st color. So just the white text one. Let's try it. And there we have it. Task 3 is complete. On to task number 4, inserting and aligning a word art object. On slide 3, insert word art object using the word art style 1st row column. So let's select that. Ooh, yeah. Slide 3. Alright, so we're not selecting anything. I guess we don't have to do that. So let's go with the old insert. Let's go to word art here. That's right, we don't have to select anything because we'll place it later. Alright, 1st row, 1st column, the very first one here. And then we're going to type schedule of events. Alright, so once you've done that, just spelled it wrong. Let's go back. Alright, so now that it's correct. On the shape format tab in the arrange group, shape format tab is selected. Here's the arrange group here. click align and then align to the top like we did before. Align, align top. And that'll put that right up top for us. All right, on to slide number 5, or task number 5. Adding the text effects to a word art. With slide 3 displayed, change the font of the word art placeholder to Arial. So here we go. Here's the font type. Click on that down arrow. And these are in alphabetical order. So Arial is here. Click that. And then set the font size of the word art to 66. Let's go here. It's on 54 now. Let's scroll down to 66. And there we have it. The word art, apply an offset. Or to the word art, apply an offset. Top left shadow effect, text effect. So let's go. It's highlighted already. Let's go shape format. Let's go. It's a text effect. Yeah, let's go text effects. And then go to shadow. Here's the outer, set the last one. Offset top left. And that's exact one we're looking for. Let's click that. And there you have it. Alright, task 5 is complete. On to task number 6, creating a smart art graphic from bulleted points. On slide 4, convert the bulleted list to a smart art graphic using the style tab list. Alright, so let's go ahead and click that. Let's go ahead and highlight it. Alright, so let's go to, let's hit the shape format. And let's look at, so we're going to convert the bulleted list to a smart art graphic. So we're going to meeting merge shapes, edit shapes. We don't insert, we go, let's look at shape of foot. Alright, so let's make sure this is highlighted. We don't need to, just make sure that we got this selected. Let's stay in the home tab. Let's go to the paragraph group, and this is convert to smart art graphic. Click that down arrow. So let's try to show you again. Home tab, paragraph group, and let's go down here to more graphics, smart graphics, and we're doing list. So here's the list on this side. Click that, and then we're doing the smart art graphic using style tab lists. Find a style tab list. I think this is it right here. Yep, tab lists. So let's click that and click OK. And that turns it into that list. Alright, so task 6 is complete. Number 7 is adding shapes and smart art graphic. In the smart art graphic on slide 4, insert a shape after week 3. So let's click on week 3. Let's go to add shape and add shape after. Alright, let's type week 4. Make sure you got the space. And click on, I use tab. So now let's go add bullet. And then click right there. So I clicked add bullet and I clicked right there to get my cursor. Left click right here in the space. And now I'm going to type in my 25% discount on food. And beverages. Alright, so 25% discount. I left out the on, so let's go back to the insert. Discount on food and beverages. So when you misspell a word, it's not asking for, actually all I gotta do is click outside of this. So click a blank area on the slide. So don't click in this area here where it's highlighted, select it, click out here. And if you got it spelled right, it's going to take that for you. Alright, task 7 is complete. On to task number 8. Inserting a smart art graphic using a content layout. On slide 5, which we're already on, in the content placeholder, insert a picture, strips, graphic, smart art graphic. So let's find that. Insert smart art graphic. Let's click this one. And so it says insert a picture strips. So where's picture? Here's picture. So click this first. And then in the 4th row, the last under picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. All right. Click OK. And we have done it. So task 8 is done. On to task number 9. Task 9 is inserting pictures and text in a SmartArt graphic. On slide 5 in the upper right left text rectangle shape. Type in, go to text right here, click on where it says text, and you type in Susan Aikman. Say, press enter, and then United States. And if you did everything correctly, it's going to autofill that for you, the rest of them. Next, in the top left picture holder, insert this picture. So you want to click right here on this little icon, and inside this rectangle, click it, and then from File, and we're looking for Susan Atkins, or she's looking contact US. So US is that one. Click her. Click Insert, and then we go on over to Mexico, Joseph Mercado. Just gotta get it in there. There we go. From File, do the same thing. Let's get Mexico contact, insert, and then our Canadian contact, Marcel Lewis. Go File, and let's get Marcel in there. All right, so we got that. Task 9 is complete. On to task number 10. Changing the size and shape of a SmartArt element. On slide 5, select all 3 of the picture shapes, and then on the Format tab, let's select all 3. So let's click on one of them, and it's selected. Hold the Control button and click the other 2, and now all 3 of them are selected. You can let up off the Control button and the left mouse button. So on the Format tab, here's the Format tab here. In the Shapes group, click Larger 2 times. So here's the Shapes group over here, and here's Larger. There's 1, and that's 2 clicks. Alright, with the 3 pictures selected, simultaneously change the shapes to rectangular, rounded corner shape, second shape under rectangles. So let's go to Change Shape. They're all still selected. And here's our rounded corner, the second one, rectangles. Let's click that, and it rounds the corners for us, or part of them. So that's it for task number 10. Number 11 is changing the SmartArt layout. On slide 3, change the layout of the SmartArt graphic to vertical block lists. So you don't have to change it. So let's go to, let's see, change that. Right, so we got it highlighted. Let's go to SmartArt Design. Let's click our More button. Just another way to do this. We did it before through the Home Paragraph tab, but we're going to go this route here. Click that More Layouts down here, and we're looking for List again, and we're looking for List category SmartArt block, vertical block lists. What we're looking for. So let's go. This one here. Yep, it's it right here. Vertical block lists. Help you find that one. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th row, the second one. And you can double check vertical block lists and click OK. And there you have it. Task 11 is complete. On to task number 12, which is changing the color and style of a SmartArt graphic. On slide 3, change the color of the SmartArt graphic to colorful range. So here we go. It's already selected. Let's go change colors. So there's a colorful range. Accent 3 to 4, third style under colorful. So here's the third one. There's colorful right there. So let's click this third one. And on the SmartArt Design tab, we're already there. In the SmartArt Styles group, here's the SmartArt Styles group. SmartArt Styles group. Click More. There's your More button. And now apply the intense effect best matches for document the 5th style. I'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Intense effect. Is that it? Yep, intense effect style. There we go. All right, 12 is done. We're on our last one, test 13, converting a SmartArt to text. Just remember, if you haven't done so, go ahead and smash that like button, and you can leave a comment after we finish this. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and take about less than a minute to create yourself a YouTube account. It's free, and then go ahead so you can comment and like, and you can also subscribe to channels. It'll help you navigate in the future to those YouTubers that you find useful. All right, so let's get on it on slide 4, which we're already located on. Click anywhere in the SmartArt graphic. Let's see. There we go. So the whole thing is highlighted. On the SmartArt Design tab, right here, let's click that. In the Reset group, here's the Reset group. Click Convert and then click Convert to Text. Let's go Convert. So we're going to convert back to text. So we don't want to do shapes. Let's do Convert to Text. And that's back where we started. And task 13 is completed. And you've completed PowerPoint 2B simulation training. Congratulations. Good luck on yours. And thanks again for joining. Have a wonderful day.